My name is Aaron Valdez, and my team Flash will be presenting Smartsheet, and I will pass this on to my team lead named Khan.
Like you said, I'm team lead. My name is Khan, and my teammates include Leo and Carla. And today we're going to be covering calendar, how to sort, Gantt chart, and as well as file sharing and attachment of Smartsheets.
Today we'll be going over the calendar view in Smartsheet. In order to get to the calendar view, this is our calendar, but it doesn't really look like a calendar. So in order to get to the calendar view, you should go here to the left of the toolbar and click this icon here, which is the calendar view. After clicking the calendar view, this should come up. In the settings, you could go here and choose whether you want to display 2 columns or multiple columns at once. Also, to change the time frame, there's an option up here on the top of the calendar to go 1 week, 2 week, 3 weeks, or a month. If you choose 1 week, it will show you only the range of assignments and projects you have to do for just 1 week, rather than 1 month where it would show you the whole month of tasks that we should be covering. Each one of these can be color coded if you right click each assignment or task and click color settings, and you can actually change each color. If you double click any of these, you will have the option to edit. You'll have the option to edit the name of the task or assignment on the calendar. But just for example, we'll just rename it this way. Now, also on the calendar, you have the option to go to overlay, and you can insert your Google Calendar on here by clicking on, and it should open all this, and it will actually take your Google Calendar and upload it onto Smartsheet, and whatever changes you make on Google will change on your Smartsheet also. You can do that for Mac also by clicking iCal, which will be the same, just for Mac. This is the difference. And if you want to print your calendar, you would go here to the toolbar again and click print, and you also have the option to send it as an attachment on the left side of the print icon, which would be this one. You can share the sheet, you send it as an attachment, and you email it to your users. So yeah, that's Smartsheet's calendar.
I'll be talking about how to organize your rows and columns and how to sort through them. If you wanted to, for example, sort your row depending on first name to last name, or in alphabetical order, you would click on the column, a little drop down, go to sort rows, and sort from ascending, so it means you would start from the top and end at the bottom. You would click job title, rank, or first name, and if you click on first name, it will sort your rows from first name in alphabetical order, and starting with A and ending with Z. So you would click OK, and we would now have Abe as our first spot in alphabetical order, and ending with Senya in our final spot. Now, if you wanted to filter this in your job title or in your rank, you would click on rank, filter column, and you would click on regional, which is what we would want to see only, and we would apply, and we would only have the regional staff members for YU. And if you wanted to remove that filter, you would just go click on the drop down again and say remove filter, and we would go back and change it. Filter column, click on our San Francisco staff members, and click apply, and we would have our only instructor who is both in San Francisco, who is mainly in San Francisco, which is Roy, and we can remove that filter. And then that would be how you can either filter your columns or sort your rows depending on what you want to see and what you want to show.
Today I'll be presenting gantt chart. How to create your own gantt chart using Smartsheets. So as you can see here, this is the projects that we are currently doing here in project coordination track. So to create new one, click create new, select project sheet and create sheet, and then we'll name this as gantt chart. Press OK. So you can see here that's the task name, that's the duration, start date and finish date. So for this we're gonna create a new task or a project, and we could name this one as finishing my application. And let's say that we start the day on July 8th, then we'll finish it by the 11th of July. And you can see that it's already 3 days that was registered. And from here you can see that it started from a Thursday to Tuesday, and that's the duration of this project. So let's go back to the chart that I showed you guys earlier. You can see here that these are all the projects that we did from our project coordination track. So here, for example, the first one is the flag. It started on the 13th of June, and then the latest one, or the last one that we have, is action figure, and that you can see that it is still ongoing, and the end date would be like the last day of our mod 3. And so we can now click hard view to see the progress of each task. So for example, for this one, you can see that there's an in progress and a complete task. And for here, for example, if we move how to tutorial into complete, then that means that we finished this task already. So you can see how easy it is to drag a project from in progress to complete. And what if it's not completed yet? We can just drag this project back to in progress. And that's how to create your own Gantt chart using Smartsheets.
So you want to go up to a file, go click this paperclip icon right here, and under here you can see attachment. Go click that, and you have a bunch of options right here. You can upload from a computer, Google Drive, OneDrive, and every other things. I'm gonna upload from my computer, and I just choose a file. I'm gonna choose, let's say, this file right here, and you click choose. And give a few minutes to upload. Once uploaded, and let's say you made some change to it afterward, you're not very happy with it, you can click this box right here, and under action you can upload a new version. Click continue, and I believe it was this one right here. Let's say it was that one. Click choose, and give it a few minutes to upload. Once uploaded, it should say version 2 next to it, and you're very happy with it. You want to share it to somebody else. You want to click this email icon right here and send to anybody you like. I'm going to send to myself, to give you an example. And click send. Once it's sent, it should say email sent on the top. And that's all. That's how you attach and file share in Smartsheet. Thank you. So concluding what we did over today for Smartsheet, we went over calendar, how to sort, Gantt chart, as well as file sharing and attachment. Hit the subscribe button for more if you enjoy our tutorial.